Hello, my name is James Crockett, Product Manager for Elgin Sweeper Company. I've worked at Elgin Sweeper Company for 10 years, beginning in the company as a test engineer, working then in new product development, and now in product management. Behind me is the new Tier 4 final Pelican with Eco-infused technology featuring horsepower management system. The way the horsepower management system works hasn't changed. The 74 horsepower John Deere engine combined with the horsepower management system automatically matches ground speed based on the engine RPM. This results in sweep performance that will always be maintained even while climbing steep grades. Several important benefits that come from this system are reduced sound levels due to the engine power optimization and very precise pedal control regardless of engine speed or ground speed. The engine fan is also still computer controlled, which allows the fan to only provide the required amount of cooling air. This results in fan running at a significantly lower speed. The lower fan speed provides two distinct advantages. Fan noise level is lower, leading to quieter sweep operation, and unused power can also be redirected back into the sweep system. The Pelican Tier 4 Final is now CARB, California Air Resources Board, and EPA compliant. The Pelican is still available in application-specific configurations such as wireless dust suppression system as used in industrial applications or municipal year-round sweeping. The enhancements made to the Pelican not only reside with the engine for emissions, but also include the enlarged conveyor throat for improved sweep performance, the new rear suspension for better ride quality, and the standardization of air conditioning. The control system also has now changed from the predecessor Tier 4 interim platform, which provides increased reliability, but with the implementation of the engine control unit, or commonly referred to as an ECU, the throttle is now electronically controlled, which results in faster throttle response than before. Additional key items to mention are the wheelbase also stayed the same at 127.4 inches, which means that the curb-to-curb turning radius is still 15 feet. The engine enclosure height did increase by 3 inches to accommodate the emissions package. And the packaging of the engine still allows for convenient access to all service points. The Pelican relies on the John Deere 4045T EWX 74 horsepower engine for the sweep and propel systems. Because Elgin has standardized on the 74 horsepower John Deere engine for Tier 4 Final, the after-treatment system will only comprise of a diesel oxidation catalyst, or commonly referred to as a DOC, and a downstream particulate filter, commonly referred to as a DPF. The system does not require a selective catalyst reduction, or an SCR, or a dosing system using diesel exhaust fluid, commonly referred to as DEF. The after-treatment system will require a passive and/or an active regeneration, but this is no different than how OEM on-highway chassis have been operating for the last few years. The first of two enhancements, the enlargement of the conveyor throat. Elgin Sweeper increased the conveyor opening by 52% by removing the existing steel crossmember and retention tarp. A new rubber transition was integrated, tested in customer applications, which greatly improved sweep performance of leaves, bottles, cans, and other light debris. This is a new feature that's also available as an FSO kit through the aftermarket parts for existing field units. The second enhancement, the new rear suspension, greatly improves drive quality and operator ergonomics while operating the sweeper. The new suspension is available on all new Tier 4 Final Pelicans. The single-sided swing arm suspension utilizes twin spring coils, a newly integrated shock absorber, and an AEON single convolution rubber spring to prevent bottoming out of the suspension at jounce limit. The jounce of the suspension has been improved by 19%, or up to 3 inches of travel, while the maximum loading of the suspension has been improved by 31%. The new suspension has been ESG tested and documented to reduce road-induced vibration amplitude by half, resulting in a noticeable improvement in ride quality while better protecting frame-mounted equipment from vibration. The Eco-infused badge. The same is true on the Tier 4 Final as it was on the interim platform. Eco-infused technology combines science and innovation to produce a more environmentally efficient sweeper. In the context of the Pelican, it includes the use of cleaner, safer, and more efficient technologies for sweeping roads and streets that provide the powerful performance, fuel economy, and overall value our municipal and contractor customers demand through the use of utilization of horsepower, reduction in noise pollution, and uncompromised performance.